Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Vlogmas day 6. One day I will come on here confidently and be like, it's this day. But I just dropped Aria off at school. I was kind of stalling because I have a Walmart grocery pickup, but they're not ready yet. So, which is funny because I've done this before at an earlier time slot, like the 7 a.m. time slot, and they were done like early. So I pushed it back 1 hour and they're not done. But I just ordered my groceries because one, it's just easier, but two, it keeps me on track and I don't have to go into the store and get like tempted to spend extra money. Especially right now, I'm a bit stressed out. I'm just gonna come to you real talk. I know this is Vlogmas. I know all the videos are supposed to be like uppity and like, oh, it's holiday season, but holiday season is stressful, you guys, and like money is always tight and it gets tighter during the holidays. And like our car just stalled like twice yesterday when I was taking Aria to school. So I just had Eric recheck the oil because I was looking online and it said that could be a reason because I don't have any check engine lights on and stuff, and so he said we do need oil. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that's all it is. It's just like it needed extra oil because just to diagnose the car was $100 just to like tell us what was wrong, not even to fix it. And I was like, oh my god, we don't just have an extra $100. But this is another reason why like it's our fault. Like we are just not that on top of our finances. Yes, our bills get paid, yes, you know, like the necessities and stuff, but we have no breathing room for like the extras, and it sucks. And I'm way too old to be living like this still and just like surviving. Like I literally want to thrive. So I've been, what is his name, Dave Ramsey? I always say Gordon Ramsay, but I think that's the chef. The Dave Ramsey approach to like getting out of debt, I've been like reading up on that and like following him and stuff, and honestly that seemed like the simplest like 7-step process. The other ones with the envelopes and things like that, like I've tried, it just doesn't work for me. I'm not sure if Dave Ramsey does the envelope thing, but he's just very like budget to the last penny type of thing. So like moving forward in 2020, that's one thing I really want to focus on, is just like budgeting better. But okay, so fingers crossed, that's all we need. Eric's just trying to figure out what grade we need. We usually take our cars in to do it, but they're swamped right now, so we couldn't like take our car in. So if I could at least put some oil in the car and then just do an oil change like later on when there's an like make an appointment and stuff, I'd rather do that because you don't want to drive a car on no oil.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child.
Alright, perfect. Thank you. You too.
And it's twice the size as me with a smile. It's quirky as my.
I don't think I'll ever get used to like just sitting in the car and having them put the groceries away. I don't know, it's so weird to me. Do you guys get out and help them load? Because I did that last time and then they told me like to stop. So this time I just sat in there and then it just felt so odd. But oh man, I went the wrong way.
Chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to.
Are you watching Mommy?
You're watching Mommy.
Did you miss Mommy? Did you miss Mommy?
Filled with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans.
Oh, you played with glitter?
Yeah.
That's fun.
Oh, we're number 7.
Yeah, it's a number 7.
So why?
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
I'm happy for you.
Daddy's here.
Daddy is here. He helped pick you up today. Look, Aria, who's returned? Buddy came back. Look at, he wrote something. What does it say?
Cookies.
Very good. Did you read that all by yourself? You know how to read the word cookies? I'm so proud of you. Do you want to bake some cookies?
That one, that's it.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Do you want to wear this? He brought you this too. It's a chef's hat. You like this? Do you want to wear it?
Yeah.
Okay. Show Dada.
Dada, look.
Oh, you're a chef.
Spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. inside and drink hot chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
Okay, so while we wait for the cookies, you can build a snowman, okay?
Okay.
Look at, he has a hat and a scarf. You have a nose, his carrot nose. A mouth and eyes and buttons, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and then when you're done, we'll use the tape and we'll like tape him on, okay?
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
I'm fun.
You're fun?
I'm happy fun.
You're having fun. I'm glad, baby girl.
We'll be chilling and having a good time.
Oh my god, guys, I had to take a shower to try to wake up. I was like falling asleep on the couch right now, and it's going to be another long night of editing. I have not even started on tomorrow's video, so I'm not complaining. I did not want, when I first started YouTube, I never wanted YouTube and Vlogmas to ever take away from my family, and so I really do want to be present. Like, I think I owe it to my children to be an in-the-moment present mom, and that's like a core value of mine is being in the moment and present. And I have really stepped back from grabbing a camera and taking pictures of moments because I found myself doing it because I'd be like, oh, that's a good picture to post on Instagram, instead of just actually like living in the moment. So I want to get back to my core value and just being there. Like I said, my kids deserve a mom who is there for them, and to see a mom's face and not a mom behind a screen or a camera or a phone or a laptop or a computer. So I wait and do all of my editing after the kids have gone to bed. It's been a little hard. Ezra has not let me put him down, so I will just hold him as he sleeps and I get my editing done and stuff. So I'm thankful. I'm so thankful. I'm not complaining. The next couple of weeks is going to be extremely hard, and I'm going to take a long nap before New Year's, but we got a lot accomplished today. We went and looked at some new spots when it came to looking for locations for our martial arts school. If you guys don't know, Eric and I are planning on opening up a karate school. It's just so hard to find a location and stuff, so we're really trying to figure out where we want to open up the school. I'm going to try to call around and get some brokers to see if they can help us, so we're not doing the like footwork, because it's hard. Like, property managers aren't calling us back, and it's so frustrating because there's 3 places we love but they just won't get back to us. And then what else do we do today? I feel like we just did a lot of business stuff. I had fun though with the cookies and with Buddy the elf. I don't know what he's doing tomorrow. So Arya had like a blast making the cookies, even though all you had to do was like put them on the pan, and those cookies are so good, guys. They're like addicting and they're really dangerous. So if you're on a diet, don't get those, because you will eat the entire package of cookies in one night. But as always, guys, I love you, and I will see you tomorrow.